Hello everyone, how are you doing? Nat here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to reset your entire network adapter or your Wi-Fi adapter. The first step is go to the start menu and type network reset and hit enter. One click in this button, reset now, and click on yes. Close this new window and click on close. And to apply the change, restart your computer, go to the start menu, select the power up button and click on restart. Login in your Windows. Click on now. And this is all. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.